So this is my student Neha, Miss Neha. So I just invited her to come and do a nice testimonial session for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you for inviting me for your yoga session. I'm more than happy to give feedback that how did it go.
Yeah. So I saw your Instagram page and you have been doing some promotion of other brands. I see. So were you invited for the brands or did you approach them?
So since ever I made my account public and I've been posting my pictures from my vacation, I got a couple of opportunities where brands reached out to me that, oh, you've got good face and you've got
You
good
can-
skin. I keep forgetting. Okay, so brands reached out to me saying that you've got good face and would you like to be the face for my brand, and would you try trying out some opportunities that we have. And I said, yeah, I was in that phase, like I was just saying yes to everything, like why not. So that lended me to multiple opportunities, and one such opportunity was where Shruti invited me to her yoga session, and that really helped me in a lot of things.
Yeah, that's what we're going to talk about. That's the
Yes, that's the
video
agenda.
about, yeah. Yeah, so actually, when I invited you for the first time, I didn't know that you also do, production of, promotion of products. I didn't know that. But then I saw you and you were doing it so well, and I was like, let me invite you for my
Yeah.
session for a testimonial video. Okay?
Yeah.
So the first question I want to ask you is, okay, how was the class? We did it a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
But how was the class? Yeah.
Okay, so when I got to know about the class, I was quite interested because I was in that ruckus where I had to work and I was consuming a lot of digital content and through work and through social media, so I was already fed up of it and I wanted a break from all of those activities. And this class somehow was fitting really well. Like, oh, when she told me, I was like, I definitely have to go and try this. And honestly, I was not expecting. I was just open to the experience. But when I joined the class and when I went through her session, first of all, she made me feel super comfortable in everything, right from me entering the class to me adapting to her different poses, through the breath work that we started. So I was very comfortable. When I was comfortable, my nervous system was very super calm and I was very relaxed. And then I was not thinking about anything. I was only following her instructions. The start was really beautiful. And then once I was calm and poised, there was a different energy shift that I could feel in me, where I felt that, oh, now I'm literally very calm. I can talk and I can sense things around me, and I am in my present moment. And then gradually over the minute, we relaxed our bodies and then we started breathing, and there were different poses that she introduced me to, where my different body parts I felt were opening up, and I was not able to reach or move that body part, those joints that were there and those muscles, and I could feel that tension in my body. And after gradually picking up those poses one by one, I could feel
mobility.
Yeah, I could feel my muscles, my body like opening up, and that's where I felt super relaxing. It was like a massage therapy to my body that I was giving with while breathing under the sun, or while following her instructions. So that was a beautiful experience.
Thank you. Thank you. So
Yeah, yeah, go for it.
Yeah. So one last question is, if you continue this form of practice with me,
Yeah,
and okay, I'll ask this question again.
yeah.
So this other question I want to ask you is, if you continue this form of practice with me on a regular basis, what personal goals do you see yourself achieving in the next 6 months?
Okay, so because my work hours are very odd, and also my sleeping schedule is very odd and off, I feel that I have that I'm always anxious. Okay, and I'm always on the go. I do not keep myself relaxed, and my nervous system is always on the verge. So something like this from the first class itself helped me, where I could feel that I was feeling calm and relaxed and easy, and I could breathe. Like one of her instructions, which I still follow during the class, that when you or your brain has multiple thoughts in mind, the only way that you stop is you focus on your breathing. And when you breathe, you're automatically, the thoughts that are there in your mind, they just calm down, they just mellow down a bit, and which is really true. So that advice is something that I follow on my daily basis, that every time that I feel that there are a lot of thoughts going on, I immediately put all my energy to how I'm breathing. Okay, and so something like that. Of course, mobility is one I would take away from this class, but apart from that, also that how I feel overall energetically, where I am more relaxed and calm, my nervous system is all balanced, I can breathe better, I have there are different energy levels that I see opening up, and I feel fresh after the session. And that is going to take me long way, where I can be in the present moment, where I can control my emotions, where I know that if there is a lot going on in my everyday life, maybe to these practices that I have learned over the time, how I can add it into my daily life, even if like I'm not there during the class, the things that I learned from the class, and I can become a better person, and I can control my emotions better.
Yeah. Thank you, Neha.
Thanks,
So much.
thanks, Shruti, for having me here, introducing me to such great practice.